Have you ever felt like no matter how much time and effort you put in your garden, the weeds win and your harvest disappoints? You know, you're not alone. Most gardeners struggle because they're fighting the wrong battle. So working with whatever soil happens to be in the backyard, planting in sprawling rows and trying to water everything evenly, you know, it can be overwhelming and exhausting and discouraging. So the good news is it doesn't have to be this way. We've seen it year after year. Gardens with wide rows and random plant placement often produce less, even if you're watering faithfully. You know, weeds explode, plants compete for nutrients, and the work piles up faster than the harvest, and most of the trouble comes from the structure, or the lack of it. Native soil is full of weed seeds, and it lacks the nutrients that vegetables need. And row gardens don't direct the water or nutrients efficiently, and the plants often grow under bad conditions. So when you create a garden specifically designed for vegetable production, everything changes. The soil is built for the plants that are heavy feeders. Beds are defined, aisles are permanent, space is intentional, and the mulch keeps the soil cool, moist, and weed-free. Instead of finding weeds all season, the hardest part becomes harvesting. So let me show you what I mean. So this is my 128 square foot raised bed garden, about the size of 2 king-size beds. And over more than 12 seasons, it has produced an average of 700 pounds of food per year. And these are all the weeds from the entire season. Everything fits into this tiny jar. So this is not luck, this is the system. So the difference between a garden that struggles and one that thrives is structure. The soil is built for vegetables, defined beds, permanent aisles, and intentional spacing. So here's what we teach in the Abundance Garden system. First, the soil built for the vegetables. High organic matter, alive with microbes, ready for heavy feeders from day one. Second, define beds and aisles. Make every drop of water and every bit of compost count. 3, intentional spacing. Plants are grown close together for more food without extra work. Number 4, mulch and soil care. Keeping weeds minimal and soil microbes thriving for decades. Following this system is what allows small gardens to outproduce traditional row gardens by 10 times or more, while cutting work and stress dramatically. So if you want to learn the basics of the Abundance Garden system that can help you grow 10 times more produce than a row garden, to download our free guide, Grow More Food with Less Work, the 8-step Abundance Garden system, you can find that in the description below. Now it walks you through step-by-step through the structural foundation so your garden grows efficiently and produces abundantly from day one. We're here to help you build it right from the beginning so your hardest job in the garden isn't weeding, it's harvesting.